Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the passenger side headlight bulb on your Mazda CX-7. As you can see, one of them is the HID headlights, but the other bulb is a regular bulb. So in order to replace that one on the passenger side, you need to open the hood, and you can access this bulb right here from the back. Let me get a better view. Okay, right here, this is the bulb there. Okay, now you need to turn the bulb counterclockwise to the left, and it's going to get loose, and then you just pull it out. Okay, let me show you, it's right there. This is the bulb, and now to replace it, you just need to unplug the wire right here. You press down right there and pull, and that's how it comes off. So, and you replace it with a new one if you need to. So that's the whole procedure. You just put it back together, turn it this time to the right so it gets there locked and it doesn't come off. And that's how you replace a light bulb on Mazda CX-7 on the passenger side. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.